Hello children. Today we are discussing second unit. Second unit is respiration. Unit 2 respiration. All of you open your textbooks. And this unit starts from page number 24 to 47. 24 to 47. So already we discussed first unit nutrition 1 to 23 pages. Now today we are discussing second unit respiration starting from 24 to 47 ending with 47. Open your textbook 24 and 25. For me 24 is left side, for you 25 is right side. 24 and 25. 24 and 25 you see the parents are scientists. Sanjana, scientist. Lavoisier and Priestley. Lavoisier and Priestley. Listen. Lavoisier and Priestley. So already discussed what discoveries of these two scientists. Page number 4 and 5. Priestley discovered oxygen in the year 1774. 5. Page 5. Nutrition. And Lavoisier named the gas as oxygen in the year 1775. And both of them conducted comprehensive work on gases. So 24 and 25 you are seeing what Lavoisier and Priestley what experiments. And you are not getting question from these two pages. A question may be asked like who discovered oxygen? Come and tell me. Priestley. In which year Priestley discovered oxygen? 1774. And that is the page number 5, nutrition. And who named the gas as oxygen? Lavoisier in the year 1775. 24 and 25, what is that? Vedumada? 24 and 25 pages are with what? Information regarding scientists. Lavoisier and Priestley. 26, there you see. Events and steps in respiration. Last page. Events and steps in respiration. First, breathing. Next, gases, exchange at lung level. Next, gases, transport blood. Gases, exchange at tissue level. Next, you see cellular respiration. It is a flow chart. Dhanama, it is an important flow chart. It is an important flow chart. Page number 25 and 26. Dhanama is not listening. 26 page, what is there? Flow chart is there. Events and steps in respiration. Anjali. Events and steps in respiration. First breathing. Next, gases exchange at lungs level. Gases transport blood. Next, gases exchange tissue level. Cellular respiration. 2 more questions. Okay. Next, 27. Pathway of air. There you see friends are what? A Pitchford experiment is there. 2 test tubes are there. So here we need to send what blow the air through our nose into the test tube. One test tube is having what? Water, and another test tube is having live water. Suppose if you blow past that air, that is exhale air into the water, and there is no color change. But if you pass what air or the exhale air into the live water it into Milky Way. That does that. So here during the process of expiration, we are releasing what gas? Carbon dioxide gas. And here is it, 27 page, pathway of air. 28 page you see, a flow chart is there. Flow chart, there you are seeing nostril, nasal cavity, pharynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, alveoli, blood,
alveoli, bronchioles, bronchus,
trachea, larynx,
pharynx,
nasal cavity,
nostrils.
So this is also a flow chart. Prepare a flow chart. Pathway of air. from nostrils to blood. Nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, alveoli, blood. Next exhalation. Blood, alveoli, bronchioles, bronchus, trachea, pharynx, nasal cavity, nostrils. Excellent. Two more questions. Actually, this question is asked SA1. Okay, SA1 question paper. This question is a prepare a flow chart showing pathway of wave from what nostrils to blood. Two more questions. Most of you wrote this flow chart excellently, and I gave you full marks also. 2 marks. And next, 29 epiglottis passage of air. Am I correct? Epiglottis passage of air. Epiglottis is present on glottis or larynx, and it prevents not to entry of food into the larynx. So that is the function of what epiglottis. It controls the traffic of water, air, and food. 29. 30. Mechanism of respiration in human being. 4 more question. Describe the mechanism of respiration in human being. 4 more question. You know, breathing is the process of inhalation and exhalation. 1 more question. What is breathing? Breathing is the process of inhalation and exhaling gases. And what are the organs which are helpful in respiration in human being?
Lungs.
Excellent. You are genius. Lungs are the respiratory organ. And lungs are spongy. 2 lungs are present in chest cavity. Right lung is larger than left lung. Right lung is having 3 lobes. And left lung is having what? 2 lobes. Between the lungs, what is present? Heart is present. And lungs are spongy, slate color, and they are covered by pleura. Page number 31. Pleura. In the box you see pleura. Pleura is a membrane structure, and that is covering the lungs, and it protects the lungs from shocks and also shocks. That is the function of what? Pleura. 13 mechanism of respiration. 31 gases exchanged to what is that? 31 gases exchanged alveoli. So there you see a sac-like structure, that is the alveolus or alveoli. Alveoli present in lungs. Alveoli are present in lungs. Several thousands of small grape-like structures, sac-like structures are present in each lung, and these are the structural functions of lung. They are called alveoli. They are useful for exchange of gases. So blood is purified in alveoli. Now I am asking one more question. What are the structural and functional units of lungs? Say alveoli.
Alveoli.
What are the structural and functional units of lungs?
Alveoli.
Answer is alveoli. That is one more question. Question is, what are the structural and functional units of lungs? Answer? Alveoli. Name the flap-like structure which is guarding the respiratory tract. No, epiglottis. Epiglottis is what? Guarding not to entry of water and also food into the respiratory system. Epiglottis present above the glottis. Page number 28, 29. 30 mechanism of respiration. 31 gases exchanged alveoli. 32 gases transport blood. There is a table. Transportation of blood. Gases. And there you see friends have a table. And what is the percent of oxygen in the air? And what is the percent of carbon dioxide in the inhaled air? And what is the percent of nitrogen in the inhaled air?
78.
Oxygen?
21.
Inhaled. And exhale? 16. And carbon dioxide?
0.01.
Exhale?
4.4.
Nitrogen?
78.
78. Exhale?
78.
Inhale 78. Exhale 78. No, we are not using nitrogen. And we are only taking oxygen. And we are releasing what? More carbon dioxide. In the examination, this table also asks what is the percentage of oxygen in inhaled air, and what is the percent of oxygen in exhaled air, and what is the percentage of carbon dioxide in the inhaled, and what is the percent of carbon dioxide in exhaled air, and what is the percentage of nitrogen in inhaled air, and what is the percentage of nitrogen in the exhale air. Like that questions are asked by giving the table. Page number
32.
32. 33. Gases. Come on, tell me. Tissue level. So here important questions are there. What is cellular respiration? What are called powerhouses of cell? What is aerobic respiration? What is anaerobic respiration? And what is formed in the anaerobic respiration? What is fermentation? Like that many questions are there. This is important page. Page number 33. Important page. So here many bits are asked. Many bits are there. What are called powerhouses of the cell?
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. What is cellular respiration? Respiration that takes place at cell level is called cellular respiration. In eukaryotes, animals are having what? A nucleus, also a special type of nuclear brain. And respiration takes place in cellular respiration takes place in cytoplasm and also mitochondria. But in case of bacteria, respiration takes place in cytoplasm, but not in nucleus, but not in mitochondria. Mitochondria absent in bacteria. And what is anaerobic respiration? What is anaerobic respiration? Respiration that takes place in the absence of oxygen. What is aerobic respiration? Respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen. 2 questions. 34 page. 33 no. 34. Then you see mitochondria diagram. Important diagram. And this page is important. And question will be asked like this: draw a well-labeled diagram of mitochondria. 2 mark question. Or describe the structure of mitochondria. 4 mark question. Important. 34 page important. Draw a well-labeled diagram of mitochondria. And mitochondria is important, very easy. Outer membrane, inner membrane, crystal, matrix. Over. Outer membrane, inner membrane, crystal, matrix. That is the diagram of mitochondria. And cellular respiration takes place in mitochondria and cytoplasm. And these are called powerhouses of the cell. In mitochondria, energy stored in the form of ATP. What is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. You know what is the full form of NTR? Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao. NTR, Nandamuri Taraka Ramarao. You know well, famous actor. And also, what is ATP? Adenosine triphosphate, abbreviated form. Sanjana. Adenosine triphosphate. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. Energy currency of our body. What are the energy currency of our body? ATP. Full form adenosine triphosphate. 34 page. And 35 page you see a athlete is running. Milka Singh old textbook, and there you see a person running, runner, athlete. And below you see graph. Graph is there. X-axis, Y-axis. X-axis for time period. Y-axis for concentration of lactic acid formed in cubic millimeter blood. 36 page you see what is aerobic respiration, what is anaerobic respiration. Last paragraph. What is aerobic respiration? Someone tell me what is aerobic respiration. Respiration that takes place in the absence of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. Respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. 2 questions are there. I am telling each and every page. Listen properly. Dikshita. Page number 36. What is there? What important questions are there? What is aerobic respiration? What is anaerobic respiration? Ganesh, what is aerobic respiration? Respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen. What is anaerobic respiration? Respiration that takes place in the absence of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. Please come. You say what is aerobic respiration? Respiration. Aerobic.
Respiration takes place in presence of
oxygen.
Oxygen is called aerobic respiration.
Your tone is not good. Okay. Next, what is anaerobic respiration?
Respiration takes place in absence of oxygen is called anaerobic
That's
respiration.
good. Great. Respiration that takes place in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Dhanamma. Respiration that takes place in the absence is called as anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic. Two questions are there. Page number 36. And page number 37 you see some experiment with these cells. Some experiment with these cells. And this page is important. And it is an activity, lab activity, laboratory activity. So there you see, we are taking each cell for this activity, anaerobic respiration, and we are taking what GNS green B or digen green B. It is blue dye, and we are taking what liquid paraffin and also glucose, and it is important activity. In examination, this question has many times. So list out the material required and procedure for to study what each cells are performing what anaerobic respiration in the absence of oxygen. Page number 37. 38. There you see respiration versus combustion. Respiration versus combustion. Activity is there. Okay? And there you see what a test tube, combustion. And inside the test tube, what is there? Sugar is there. And Bunsen is there, glucose is there. Suppose if you burn glucose and glucose burn, it produces what gas?
Yes.
Carbon dioxide. And also water vapor. And also heat is released. That is nothing but burning of glucose in the test tube. So the same way in our body also glucose is burned in the cell in the presence of water. 39 page. What is that? Evolution of gases exchange system. Heat energy liberated during respiration. And last page, evolution of gases exchange system. And different respirations are given here. Important paragraph. This is a very important paragraph. And page number 40 also you see important what information is there. Okay, listen. In lower animals, respiration takes place by means of diffusion. Earthworm, leeches, hydra, amoeba. In all these animals, respiration Banala, very good. In all these animals, respiration takes place by means of diffusion. Turn the page, 40. In cockroach, insects, respiration takes place by means of trachea. And a trachea respiration, tubes. And in fishes, respiration takes place by means of what? Gill. That is a branchial respiration. In case of earthworm, leeches, respiration takes place by means of what? Skin. That is fluid respiration. And also buccal respiration. And in case of mammals, apes, birds and reptiles, we have lungs. And lungs are helpful for respiration. That is called pulmonary respiration. Pulmonary respiration. Like that you see different types of respiration and also different categories of animals are given. Page number 40. Again you see 40. That is the last paragraph. What? Respiration tract. Be ready. I am asking 3 questions. So respiration tract. How do plants perform respiration? Or what are the respiratory organs of plant? I am asking 2 questions.
Tomato.
What are the respiratory organs of plant?
Tomato.
Yes. Ravi is telling. And Ganesh is telling. And this also I am getting some answer. Bharat also telling the answer. Dhanamma is not telling. Come on, tell me. What are the respiratory organs in case of plant?
Tomato, lettuces,
Stomata are present under the side of the leaf, lower side of the leaf, polar part of the leaf, and they are having small pores. And these pores are helpful for what purpose? Gases exchange. In this way, plants are performing respiration. And lens cells are present on the bark, below the bark, and they also gap, and they are also useful for what? Respiration. And aerial roots are present in case of mangroves. When one part is there, you see diagram is there. Mangrove plant. They grow in marshy area. So some of the roots they grow upward at the beginning area, above the mud, above the water. They have what? Small pore, and they respire with the help of what? Roots. And that is called what? Aerial root. Example, mangroves. Okay. Now tell me, what are the respiratory organs in plant?
Stomata, lettuces,
Lens cells and also
area roots.
Example Example for aerial roots, mangrove. Example for stomata, leaves. Example for lenticels, where are lenticels present? They are present on the stem, bark. 40, 41. Below you see 41 page, you see carbon dioxide is released during respiration activity. So take what? A wide mouth bottle and there were 200 millimeters inside. And take what? Actually we need to take two, but not here. Only one is given. And take what? Non-germatic seeds in beaker and also germatic seeds in the beaker or in the body. And take lime water in both the bottles. After few hours we see, after few days we see, lime water turn to milky white, the bottle which is having germatic seeds. And germatic seeds are performing what? Respiration. During respiration they are releasing what? Carbon dioxide. 41. 42. Heat energy related to respiration. That is the activity. And you see respiration versus combustion. 42, 43. And how many keywords are there? 14 keywords are there. How many? What we learned is there? 23. How many questions are there? 25. How many multiple choice are there? 5. Believe that? 5. So that this topic is over. And this topic is start from page number 24 to 47. In 47 page you see pranayama. Pranayama. That is yoga. Suppose if you do pranayama, it increases your lifespan and your lungs are become healthy. Do this activity, pranayama, breathing exercise, yoga. Okay? Thank you.